Hi guys, in this video we will see how to add external jars into your Android Studio projects library. For this, open any existing project or you can create a new one. I am creating a new Android project. Wait until Gradle sync is completed. Gradle sync has been completed. Once Gradle sync is completed, click on this drop down, select project here. Now expand this live files project. And expand this app folder. Here you will find folder called lives. So whatever external jars or library files you require for the project, you can copy that file and paste it under this directory. I am copying this MySQL connector jar file. Come back to Android Studio and right click on libs folder and paste it here. Click on OK. When you expand this libs directory, you will find MySQL connector jar. Select that jar and right click on it. Click on this option called Add as Library. Click OK. It has been added. You can see status as successful. That's it. Thank you guys.